Hello, my name is Lee Coleman of Hughes and Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today I want to talk with you about how to decide which Bowling Green nursing home abuse attorney is best suited to help you and your family. Nursing home abuse and neglect cases are just different. They're not car wreck cases, they're not workers' comp cases, they are nursing home abuse cases. You want a lawyer who handles lots of nursing home abuse and neglect cases, not somebody who does one occasionally. The nursing home records, the system of how they keep them, it's very unique and it's not analogous. It doesn't equate to another type of case. So my recommendation is go online, look at the firm you're looking at. At Hughes and Coleman, we have handled hundreds and hundreds of cases and resolved hundreds and hundreds of cases. You want a firm with experience, with lawyers who do almost all nursing home cases. That's how they get good at it. If you suspect that your loved one has been abused or neglected in a nursing home, our dedicated nursing home legal team is here to help. Take back control and call us today at 800-800-4600. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.